I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics one day before an exam. First, identify the most important topics and formulas that carry significant weight. Don't try to learn everything. Instead, focus on understanding the core principles. Create a quick outline of what you need to cover, allocating specific time blocks to each major area. This targeted approach will help you maximize your limited study time effectively. Next, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading notes, quiz yourself on definitions and theories. Work through practice problems and past exam questions to solidify your understanding and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Pay close attention to graphs and economic models, ensuring you can interpret and explain their significance. This hands-on approach is far more effective than just reading. Managing your time and mindset is crucial. Develop a realistic study schedule, breaking down your remaining hours into manageable chunks. Remember to take short, frequent breaks, about 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Staying calm and confident will significantly improve your ability to recall information and perform well under pressure. For your final review, quickly skim through your summarized notes and key takeaways. On exam day, ensure you have all necessary materials like pens, a calculator, and any permitted reference sheets. Get to the exam location early to settle in and avoid last-minute stress. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A fresh car can make your day better, just like a well-prepared mind for your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.